Hello friends, so this is a quick video that I'm doing right now. I am out from my office, and as you can see guys, we got the MIUI 9 update. So as you can see, there is a lot of update that came in this MIUI 9.5 update. So such of them is gallery. On the first one we have the all you love is just a heart away. So you can make your folder, and as you can see we have lots of updates on this one. You can choose your favorite gallery from this. You can choose your favorite gallery, or you can choose your favorite folder from the gallery, and you can make those loves, and you can do that as well. The second update is going to be the new notification shade. So as you can see, it is a grayish shade, and it is really good. And as you can see, the notification shade is really good, and the colors are like a blue and a sky tint with the logo in the middle. So the new notification shade now presents information in a more precise and comprehensive way. It groups all notifications on a by app basis to reduce clutter. You can evenly quickly reply a message without opening the app. So guys, going forward to our next update is going to be the sound recording option for screen recorder. Now you can record audio internally. Yes guys, now we can be able to record audio internally from our mobile phone. Screen recorder is one of the most loved and unique features of MIUI 9. Introduced back in the early time of MIUI 8, it had three sound source options back then: mute, mic, and speaker. Apart from the first two options, speaker option helps MIUI users to capture audio from their device's internal system. It was very helpful for them to capture their phones to create video tutorials which need system sounds to be recorded. Now it is coming back. So the next update here is going to be the MI browser, and as you can see, they had gave like 6 updates about the MI browsers: revamped startup page and optimize the performance of the whole MI browser, which is really good, and it will make the browser more faster than the previous one. The second update is here about the MI browser is going to be the quick search option. That means you will be able to get the Google search or Yahoo, Bing, any search options in that browser as well. Adjusted the position of the search bar. They had also adjusted the position of the search bar rather than the MIUI 9 version, and it is really good because it will come handy whenever you're going to search and use the MI browser. Optimized browser kernel. This is a very good update as well. I will make a separate video about this one, about what is kernel, ROM, and so on. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Preset keywords for searching sites via URLs quickly. So this is another great update given by the MI browser, and this is really good. And they had also redesigned the menu tab, which is really good because we will get a lot of updates in that menu tab. So the next update is going to be the MI mover. Now you can transfer apps with or without the app, data resume, and interrupted transfers, which is really good at this device. MI drop, it has also the MI drop resume interrupted files, so which is good. The next one is one-time data limit. Share Wi-Fi hotspot with confidence. That means you can be able to put the data limit while you are sharing a Wi-Fi hotspot through your mobile phone. I think it is a really great update about this one, because it is really good. Whenever you give your friend or someone a hotspot, you can choose how much data limit you want to give them. So yeah, this is really good. The next one is going to be the app lock system. Now they had also changed the app lock system, and they had also put the new protection styles on this device. So that means they had revamped the whole UI. The next thing is going to be the full screen gestures, easier navigation. They had also give some gestures, and on this one began they had also physical keyboard to touch keys ending in 2018 to the mainstream on screen, and it is really good as well. The quick dial, connect faster to your beloved ones. Quick dial, that means you can be able to make friends on this one, and which is really good. Group mode, make folders and arrange apps effortlessly on home screen. That is one of the most great upgrade as well. Made the completely redesigned MI music player. That means they had also also redesigned the MI music player, which is good, and this is good as well. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I wish that you had learned something about MIUI 9.5 from this video. With that being said, you are watching Tech Blob. I am Sagar Pal, and I am signing out. Peace.